viewers, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I will show you how you can use Chatgpt to write chapter 3 introduction in thesis, dissertation, or your research proposal. Okay, so if you are struggling to start your chapter 3, that's your research methodology introduction, this video is your ultimate guide. So you will learn in this video how to write chapter 3.0 introduction in your research proposal, your thesis or dissertation using Chatgpt, and I'm going to take it step by step. So whether you are a postgraduate, undergraduate or PhD student, this tutorial will help you write a clear, concise and professional introduction to your methodology chapter. In this video, you will discover how to use Chatgpt for academic writing to create a compelling methodology introduction that meets university standards. You will also learn exactly what to include, from the purpose of the chapter to the structure, research design overview, and how to connect to your study objectives. This tutorial will help you master how to write chapter 3 introduction in thesis and dissertation effectively, how to use Chatgpt for writing methodology in a research paper, research proposal or academic writing project, and you also get to find or get to discover the correct format, tone and essential element for chapter 3 research methodology in 2025 academic standards. You also get to know the smart Chatgpt prompt that generate accurate, plagiarism-free and well-structured methodology introductions. You also get to know the common mistakes students make when writing the introduction to methodology and how to avoid them. So if you want to learn how to write chapter 3 introduction in a research paper or dissertations fast and professional, you have to watch this video till the end, because this video is actually for you. Alright, so the introduction is the opening part of the research methodology chapter. So its maintains purpose its main purpose is to introduce the chapter to the reader and to make the reader understand the structure, purpose and logic of the methodological approach used in the study. It sets the stage for the detailed subsections that follow by explaining why and how the chosen research methodologies are suitable for addressing the research objectives and questions. So in essence, this session gives a preview of the methodology framework, showing what methods were used, why they were chosen, and how they contribute to the validity and reliability of the study's result. So it will be concise, usually 1 to 2 paragraphs, and written in the past tense. Underline written in the past tense. Underline written in the past tense, because this is also one of the common mistakes students make. So if the research has already been conducted, it must be written in past tense. So key elements to include in the 3.0 introduction. Element 1, purpose of the chapter. Begin by clearly stating that the chapter explains the methods and procedures used to achieve the research objectives or test the hypothesis. Example: this chapter presents the research methodology adopted for the study, detailing the design, data sources, population sampling techniques, instruments, and analytical methods employed to examine the relationship between investment, trade, and green economic growth in Africa. Number 2, link to previous chapters. Briefly connect this chapter to the preceding literature review, explaining that they identified gaps and theoretical perspectives informed the methodological choices. Number 3, overview of the research approach. Indicate whether the study uses a qualitative or quantitative or mixed method approach. Justify why this approach is appropriate for the research problem. Number 4, outline of the chapter structure. Outline of the chapter structure. Provide a short summary of the sections that follow. Example: research design, population, data collection, analysis, and ethical considerations. Example: the chapter is structured into several sections: research design, population and sampling, data sources, methods of data collection, analytical techniques, robustness checks, and ethical consideration. So those are the few necessary elements that must be included when writing 3.0 introduction to methodology. Now let us quickly see how we can use Chatgpt and write introduction to research methodology. So I will open my browser. I'm already on my customized prompts. Remember, you have to use customized prompts. So if you need a customized prompt, you just click the link below the video and get it. So I will go get my requirement quickly. Just copy them. I'll go back to my customized prompts and paste. I'll wait for it. So when you use customized prompts, you will get what you want step by step, and everything in these customized prompts comes out with academic approved format. Okay, so I'm gonna prompt it to start with chapter 3.0 because we are writing that particular chapter today. So you see what it has given me. So I'll now choose which of it I would love to start with. So I'll prompt it again, chapter 3.0. It has shown me how many words it will be, the length of words. Okay, so it's now asking, shall I proceed to chapter 3.0, research methodology, now using your provided research details and verified APA 7th sources? I would say next. You can say next, you can say yes. It's still the same thing. Beautiful. I've gotten chapter 3.0 introduction. See, it comes with in-text citations. You can see it comes with in-text citations, and you will also give verified references where necessary. So that's one of the advantages of this customized prompt. These are verified references. So what will I do? What will I do now? I will have to copy, then go to my soft and paste. Here I will do few editing. I just have to edit the things I do not want. So I will remove this table. Because it's not necessary. I'll remove the line. I'll then come here, edit this place. I'll go up. Remember, all of these things you have to remove the bold. You don't have to allow bold words in the middle. So you remove them. Here you do same. You can do same here. Alright. Still the same here. You take your time. Perfect. So that's it. The next thing will be to verify the few references and then humanize, and your 3.0 will be fully ready. So that is it for chapter 3.0, introduction to research methodology. Do not forget to click the link below this video to get a customized prompt that will help you write your research proposal, your thesis, your dissertations as a pro. Please also don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment our video, and also click the notification button so that you get notified whenever we post our videos. Thank you so much. I still remain Mr. Rich.